Okay, we have another complex fraction here. So again, we're going to take the fractions and we're going to rewrite this. So this is going to be 5 over x plus 4 over x squared, and then divided by 25 over x squared minus 16 over x. Okay, so we are going to cross out this complex fraction here, and now we have our division problem. Before we do the keep, change, flip though, remember we have to simplify each side of the division problem first. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to simplify 5 over x plus 4 over x squared. So I have 5 over x plus 4 over x squared. Well, my common denominator here is x squared because this is missing an x. So I have to multiply both of these by x. Okay, that's going to give me 5x over x squared plus 4 over x squared. And then I go straight across 5x plus 4 over x squared. Okay, so that is my new fraction 1. Fraction 1 right here. Okay, now here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a subtraction though. So we have 25 over x squared minus 16 over x. And again, my common denominator is going to be x squared. So I'm going to multiply the top and the bottom by x. And that's going to give me 25 over x squared minus 16x over x squared. And then I'm going to subtract. I'm going to have 25 minus 16x over x squared. So that's my new fraction 2. Okay, so I've made a mess on my paper. So let's see here. We have some room. No, we do not. Okay, we are going to make some erasing, and we will do this here. And I'm going to bring my fraction 1 right over here. Okay, so fraction 1, I have the 5x plus 4 over x squared. And then we're still divided by. Okay, now we can do our keep, change, flip because we have one fraction, one fraction. So I keep the 5x plus 4 over x squared. I change the division to a multiplication. And then I'm going to flip this guy here. So this is going to become 25 minus 16x in the denominator, and then x squared in the numerator. Now that this is a multiplication problem, I can extend my multiplication sign or my division sign, and I can multiply straight across. So up top, that's going to give me an x squared times 5x plus 4, and on the bottom, an x squared times 25 minus 16x. And then I'm just going to cancel out my like terms, top to bottom. So top to bottom, I have x squared and x squared. So I'm left with a 5x plus 4 over 25 minus 16x. Now, we're not actually done here because when we look at the 25 minus 16x, we might be able to take a GCF out of that. Can we take a 5 out? We cannot. Can we take a 4 out? We can only take it out of the 16x. So it looks like we are actually done here. So that's all we can do, and we are going to leave it as 5x plus 4 over 25 minus 16x.